Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the return of a legend. That's right, Buick has brought back the Grand National for 2026, and they didn't just slap a badge on any random sedan. This thing is built to perform, to turn heads, and to remind people why the Grand National was such an icon back in the day. But did Buick really do it justice? Or is this just another modern nostalgia cash grab? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the design is aggressive. Buick took some inspiration from the past but modernized it in a way that makes this car look menacing on the streets. The front end is sharp and low, with a wide blacked-out grille reminiscent of the original GNX, complete with LED headlights that give it a futuristic but still sinister look. The hood has functional vents to keep the twin turbocharged engine cool, and the fenders are flared just enough to give it that proper muscle stance. Around the back, you get a sleek LED light bar, a subtle lip spoiler, and a rear diffuser that hints at just how serious this car is about performance. It's not overly flashy, but it definitely has that "don't mess with me" attitude. Under the hood is where things get exciting. Buick didn't go for an electric-only setup like some feared. Instead, they kept it true to its roots with a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 that pumps out 500 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. And for those who really want to step things up, there's an available high-performance GNX package that pushes it closer to 600 horsepower. This thing is a monster. Power goes to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, and here's the best part, you can get a 6-speed manual. Buick actually listened to enthusiasts and gave them an option to row their own gears. 0 to 60. The base model does it in about 3.9 seconds, while the GNX version shaves that down to 3.5. That's serious speed for a Grand National. Handling has always been a big question mark for muscle cars, but Buick made sure the Grand National doesn't just go fast in a straight line. The chassis is built on a modified Alpha platform, the same one that underpins the Cadillac CT 5-volt Blackwing. That means it's got serious cornering capability. The suspension is adaptive, adjusting on the fly to keep the ride smooth when you want comfort and stiff when you're pushing it hard. Steering is sharp, responsive, and gives you a real connection to the road. This isn't just some boulevard cruiser, it's built to take on sports sedans like the BMW M3 and Audi 5 Rupees. And with an optional all-wheel drive system, you can get even more grip, making this a legitimate four-season performance machine. Inside, Buick has stepped up its game. Forget the old, plasticky Buick interiors of the past, this one is all about premium materials and tech. The dashboard is driver-focused, with a fully digital gauge cluster that can be customized to show everything from boost pressure to G-forces. The center console houses a massive 15-inch touchscreen running Buick's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in performance telemetry. The seats are heavily bolstered, wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching and Grand National logos stitched into the headrests. And for those who opt for the GNX package, you get Alcantara inserts, carbon fiber trim, and a flat-bottom steering wheel that feels perfect in your hands. Technology-wise, this car is loaded. You get a head-up display, a high-end Bose sound system, and a full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. But don't worry, Buick made sure that all those safety nannies can be turned off when you want to really enjoy the car. The drive modes let you switch between comfort, sport, and track settings, adjusting everything from throttle response to suspension stiffness to exhaust note. Speaking of exhaust, this thing sounds incredible. It's got a deep, throaty growl that builds up to an aggressive snarl when you push it. And with an active exhaust system, you can keep things quiet when you need to, or let it rip when you want all the drama. So, who is this car for? If you love classic American muscle but want modern performance and technology, this is the perfect blend of both. It's got the power, the handling, and the looks to make it a serious contender in the performance sedan world. And with pricing starting at around $65,000 for the base model and pushing up to $80,000 for the fully loaded GNX version, it's positioned competitively against European rivals while offering something uniquely American. The 2026 Buick Grand National is not just a tribute to the past, it's a statement that Buick still knows how to build something exciting. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or just looking for a powerful, stylish, and fun-to-drive sports sedan, this one is worth considering. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did Buick nail it, or should they have done something different? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching Crazy Cars, and I'll catch you in the next one.